Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Tuesday, October 28th. What we see is a market that absorbed markets, that absorbed information that came out over the weekend, as we talked about in the advanced video. So the result is we're seeing the absorption of that possibility. But remember, they're possibilities. They're not realities yet. Russell was the weakest out of all the indices. The other indices were stronger. And right now, this implies a sideways move for that market. But let's move on and let's take a look at a few of these other markets. If we look at what's happening in the bond market, yields came off a bit. High expectation for Fed action this week, which would expect to show us that would be the expectation of higher prices here for the bond market. If you look at nat gas, a lot of nat gas is still out there. I look for a sideways move in that market, and I'm not looking for on Tuesday a big day up or down. But the possibility of China buying beans, which is on the table, ooh, that could be a biggie for this market. So if you're short, be very careful. If you're long, nothing tells us to get to the short side of this market. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.